Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram this group can't be displayed under it. To know how to fix or how to solve the Telegram this group can't be displayed under it, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. And then you will go to click manage storage. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.